Another little video for you. I'm going to try and get this Clio started today. Got the battery off charge. We've done the oil, we've done the filter, we've done the coolant, we've done the radiator. We've done the air filter. We've done the spark plugs. Don't forget the spark plugs. Let me just get the battery. It's just on. Make sure we put it the right bloody way around. Power on first. Let's see if we've got any life. It's doing something. So that's been sat there for 2 years, I reckon. And that starts straight away like that. To be fair, we did put some fresh petrol in it and a new fuel pump. Look, let me just move you. That sounds sweet for one of them. Honestly, they're really tappy normally. You like leave it for like 2 weeks and like listen to that. Some genuine Renault oil wherever my bottle went. So we put in there. Oh, I think I chucked everything away the other day. I had to right clear out. Where's my light? I'm looking for my light. That flashed for a minute, and then that wake up. Yeah, that's running. Sweet. And there that I need to sort out in a minute. There's a new genuine Renault oil filter. Yeah, I've got a powder coated battery clamp, and this we've got to put on. There's a wire that looks a bit dodgy on that battery connection that I'm going to sort out. We'll let it run for a minute. And it's not smoking or anything, it sounds sweet. That's literally like just over 1,000 revs. It's not revving it at all. These were decent cars back in the day. Oh, they're decent cars now. They ain't too bad. The driving and that of them is brilliant. Handling's brilliant. They're fun. They are fun cars. We'll get some, well, when we're allowed out again, we can try and get some videos of it out. I'm going to take it to Snetterden. It's only up the road from here, it's about half an hour. I'm going to take it up there and get some videos from there. So, you see, because the sun's in the way. They have these big old arches at the back. And stick right out. And you have like a normal door. It's like a normal door. And then they have these plastic, they are literally plastic wings, and that was for the cup racer cars. So they smack into each other and they didn't need a new wing. And that's basically what it was. It's because the racing was so close. And they smack a wing like that, don't do anything. These cars were built for racing. I don't think many people really realise that. We've got this red one, it's not even got an engine in it, the engine was all redone. I've got the engine at my work yard. But this one is clean as anything. Look at that. And you don't see many red ones. So you don't see many of these cars at all. Tell me in the comments the last time that any of you saw one of these cars with that bulge in the bonnet. Like that. That's the red one. That's the yellow one. That's stock. They were stock like that from factory. That's not like the max power bonnet or anything. That is how they are. Big bonnet bulge. Big bulge plastic wings. Big bulged rear quarters. This is sitting low. This one as well. There's some nice speed line wheels on there in grey. Now you listen to the induction. Sound wicked. Right, we'll just leave this for a minute to warm through, and well, I would say we could take it out, but we can't take it out. We might just don't know, clean it again. Let me all know what you think of this. Most people, the younger people, ain't even going to have a clue what it is, are they? They're going to think, oh, some crap Clio that my nan used to have, and my BMW 135i that I pay £600 a month for would absolutely tear it. Well, it would. Yeah.